Hello devoted viewers and welcome to Venkat Krupa. Today we begin a timeless tale of love, separation and divine destiny. A story that began not on earth but in the highest heavens in the abode of Lord Vishnu, Vaikuntha. This is the saga of Lord Venkateshwara and his beloved Padmavati, a story that will unfold over 10 special episodes. Our story begins with a great question. Ancient sages, known as rishis, wanted to know who is the greatest among the Holy Trinity, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. They chose one of their wisest and most powerful members, Bhrigu Rishi, to find the answer. Bhrigu Rishi was a renowned sage known for his fiery nature and profound wisdom. He first visited Lord Brahma, his own father, but Bhrigu felt that Lord Brahma did not show him enough respect as Brahma was busy with creation. So Bhrigu left, feeling unsatisfied. Next, Bhrigu went to Mount Kailash, the home of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, in deep conversation. Again, Bhrigu felt ignored. His temper began to rise. Finally, Bhrigu Rishi arrived at Vaikuntha, the celestial abode of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu was resting peacefully on the great serpent Adishesha, with Goddess Lakshmi, his divine consort, gently massaging his feet. Bhrigu Rishi felt that Lord Vishnu also failed to acknowledge him immediately. Overcome by pride and anger, Bhrigu did something truly shocking. He walked directly to Lord Vishnu and with immense force, he kicked Lord Vishnu right on his chest. This was an insult of the highest degree. But what did Lord Vishnu do? Did he get angry? Did he punish Bhrigu? No. With calm eyes, Lord Vishnu gently took Bhrigu Rishi's foot in his hands and said, "O great sage, forgive me. My chest is very hard. Did your foot get hurt?" Bhrigu Rishi was stunned by Lord Vishnu's humility and compassion. He realized his mistake and bowed to Lord Vishnu, declaring him the greatest of all gods. But while Bhrigu Rishi found his answer, someone else was deeply, deeply offended. Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, fortune and prosperity, could not bear this insult. Lord Vishnu's chest is her most beloved resting place, her sacred abode. To have it kicked and for her lord to not even retaliate was an unbearable affront. Heartbroken and furious, Goddess Lakshmi felt insulted not just by Bhrigu but by Lord Vishnu's apparent inaction. She declared that she could no longer reside in a place where her lord's chest had been so disrespected. Without a word, she left Vaikuntha. Lord Vishnu, now alone, was filled with sorrow. His beloved Lakshmi, his source of strength and prosperity, had left him. With her divine consort gone, Lord Vishnu knew he could no longer remain in Vaikuntha. He had to find her. And so, to reunite with his divine consort, Lord Vishnu began his journey to earth. This cosmic event was the catalyst, the spark that set into motion the entire magnificent story of Lord Venkateshwara and Devi Padmavati. Join us in our next episode as Lord Vishnu descends to earth, a lonely traveler searching for his beloved. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Venkat Krupa for more divine stories. Hari Om.